If your Homedics Total Comfort Deluxe UHE-CMTF91 humidifier suddenly stops producing mist or does not operate as expected, the problem is usually related to water flow, mineral buildup, or a simple system glitch. Humidifiers rely on clean water pathways and proper tank placement to generate consistent mist. When the unit senses low water levels, clogged components, or incorrect assembly, it may stop working to protect the internal system. Fortunately, most of these issues can be resolved quickly with a few basic checks and cleaning steps. Try these. Step 1. Turn the humidifier off and unplug it, then remove the water tank from the base. Step 2. Empty the tank and refill it with clean distilled water, ensuring the cap is tightened securely. Step 3. Inspect the mist outlet and ultrasonic plate for mineral buildup and clean gently with a soft cloth or vinegar solution. Step 4. Reattach the water tank properly so it sits firmly on the base and the valve opens correctly. Step 5. Plug the humidifier back in, power it on, and adjust the mist setting to confirm normal operation.